Hello, today we are going to write again one program, and that program is very simple in QBASIC, and it is asked frequently in our exam. And the program is like this one: to store records of students having fields role, name, address, and section in a data file. Means only we have to store. So first, what we have to do there? First, we have to open a data file. If it is not mentioned in question, then we have to use our own data file name, and here is the output. We must use this one because we are going to store the data, and this is the name of file. We can say simply channel number or the number. Here is the loop we are using here. Inside loop means it continues until we say other than y. So first is the input roll number, second is your name, next is your address, next is your section. Since these all are being string, so we have to use dollar sign, and if we don't use, then it will not accept the string. And here is the write command to store the data in this data file string.dat, and these all are the variables we want to store in this data file name. Next, what we have to do there, we have to ask that whether user wants to continue or discontinue the input. For that, simply we have to go for input, and here is a variable that is ans dollar. Since it is also going to accept letter or the character, or we can say that string, we have to use dollar sign there. And loop while ucase means it converts into even if we give the small letter, it converts that ucase converts that into uppercase, and checks test whether that is y or not. If this is y, if further it goes for the inputs, writes, and so on. At last, what we have to do, we have to close the file and so on. Nothing more we have to do there. It looks like this one. Let's run the program. Here is role. Let's give role 1, then name, Rani, address Kathmandu, then section, suppose that is B2. Now it is asking that you want to continue, discontinue. Let's give y there. We want to continue, role 2, then name Harry, then address Ohara, then section C3. Now we want to continue, no. Let's give there and press enter. That's all. So this is how it works there. But suppose if we are asked that this file it already exists there with some records, and what we want to add further some more records. What we have to do there, we have to use the append. Let's delete on this one. So append and so on. Only this was we have to do there. So existing data, it also exists there, and further new data we can give, and that also will be there inside the same file, that is string.dat. And if there is reading, what we have to do there, simply we have to do the input here and for that we can use uf and the name of channel. So nothing more we have to do there. I hope you understood this one. So just stay tuned for further programs. Thank you.